everyone, welcome back to my channel Jai Guru Kitchen. So today I am going to prepare the mushroom kadai recipe. For that I have taken mushroom 200 grams, tomato 4 tomatoes I have chopped and kept. So 1 onion for sauteing, oil 3 to 4 tablespoon I have taken, ginger garlic paste 1 big tablespoon, and the rock salt, Kashmiri chilli powder 1 big tablespoon, coriander powder 1 spoon, kasturi methi, the onion for last sauteing I have taken, and the cashew nut 50 grams. This one I am going to make it as a powder. This is the cumin seeds, peppercorns, and the coriander seeds. This is the dry chilies. This I am going to make a dry roast and make it as a powder. And this is the capsicum. I have cut it to bigger pieces. So now I am going to add the oil, fennel seeds, chopped onions. Let this fry well. Let it become reddish. In the meanwhile, I am going to roast the coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and the peppercorns. Roast well till the aroma comes. So this would give the good taste for the kadai. Now I am adding the dry chilies now. Roast for a few seconds. So now the onions has become reddish. Now I am going to add the ginger garlic paste. Let the raw smell of the ginger garlic go. Then I am going to add the tomatoes. Smell is gone, and now I am going to add the tomatoes. Along with this, I am going to add the salt. Little of salt I am adding so that the onions and tomatoes will boil soon, will cook soon. Now this is roasted well. I am going to remove this red chilies, and the remaining these 3 I am going to make it as a fine coarse powder. I am going to pound it in this pounding fine powder. I am adding half a teaspoon of turmeric. I am adding the red chili powder, then coriander powder, let this tomato cook well. Let it become very smooth so that the gravy will be tastier. Cook this till the oil comes out. By the meantime, I am going to make this paste. Now I am adding this cashew nut paste. Now I am adding a little of water to this. Let this boil well. Now the tomatoes are cooked well. Now I am going to add the mushrooms. Mix well now. Let this cook for about 10 minutes. These mushrooms in this curry is very tastier. I am going to add 2 teaspoons of ghee. to roast the onions and the capsicum. Now I am going to add the onions, which is cut into bigger pieces. Add the onions. Now I am going to add the capsicum pieces, which is cut into bigger pieces. These onions and capsicum will give you a good taste. The kadai would be very yummy to eat. Fry well. So now the onion and the capsicum is half roasted. Let this be crunchy to eat. Do not roast too much. Now I have taken this kasturi methi. I am going to crush with my palms. Crush it with the palms and add this. It is almost mushroom is cooked. Now I am adding this pounded powder, cumin seeds, peppercorns and the coriander seeds powder. Well, now I am adding this dry chilies. The yummy, tasty and mushroom curry is going to ready now. You can eat this along with chapati, parathas and puris. So now I am adding this crunchy onions and the capsicum to the kadai mushroom curry. So these onions and mushroom will give more taste, the capsicum. So this you can have along with the naan, rotis and even with the kulchas. I am going to serve this along with the lemon and the cucumber. You can squeeze the lemon to this. So the yummy and tasty mushroom kadai is ready. These mushrooms have many health benefits. It is also rich in calcium and which is vital in strengthening the bones too. And this also rectifies the osteoporosis and the joint pains. Those who have joint pains, it rectifies. And the vitamin D which is present in this also avoid and prevent the cancer cells. So this also controls for the diabetes patients, and this is also good for the heart patients. So often you can use the mushrooms, which is very good for health. So I think you all would like my recipe.